if you're missing desserts, you can still have a dessert doing low carb, trying to eat high protein. Today we made this dessert here using a half a cup of cottage cheese with 12 grams of protein, low in sugar, Greek yogurt with 14 grams of protein, low in sugar, some blackberries, a few almonds, and some sweetener. And look at our dessert. We're eating high protein and trying to stay low carb. But look how delicious it turned out. Y'all need to give this one a try. Hey y'all, and welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe, we're making a high protein, low carb breakfast idea. It tastes delicious. I've already made one of these, and today I'm going to share it with y'all. You can change it up and use whatever kind of fruit you have that's low in carbs. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are some of the lowest carb fruits you can get. And we're going to be using Greek yogurt and cottage cheese to give us the high protein in our breakfast. So y'all come on and let's get started. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. You can change it up and use whatever kind of fruit you have. Just try to keep it lower in carbs if you're trying to eat high protein and low carbs. Now the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to add about a half a cup of cottage cheese. And then we're going to add a half a cup of our yogurt. Maybe just a tiny bit more of the yogurt, because I do want it to be enough to fill me up for breakfast. And now that neither one of these have any sweetener at all in it, you could add maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice. You could even add some stevia drops or whatever you choose. Or you could even just sprinkle some white sugar in it if you're not trying to stay away from white sugar. But today I'm going to go with just a few drops of this stevia because we are trying to stay away from white sugar. And I have added the maple syrup to it, and that is delicious also. And now before we get started on mixing all our other ingredients, I'm just going to give this a good mix and get that cottage cheese and yogurt all blended together. And then we're going to set this to the side. Now we're going to be adding some blackberries. We got these the other day at Aldi's, and they were a great price. So I've already washed me a couple of these. And we're going to start off with this little dish, and I'm just going to put like a couple little blackberries in the bottom of the dish. And then we're going to put a layer of our yogurt and cottage cheese. And then we do have some granola. And we made this so it has a little maple syrup in it, but it's just got some oats and a little bit of chia seeds. And now I'm just going to chop up real fine some of these almonds. Not many, just a few. And now I'm just going to put a little layer of almonds. And then we're going to put a few more of our blackberries. And we're going to sort of push them down in there. And just a little bit more of our cottage cheese and yogurt mixture to the top. And I'll make Travis one also. few more of the almonds. Just sort of gives it a little crunch. A few more of our granola. We'll even take a couple of the bigger chunks and just place right in there. I'm gonna put just a couple little of these blackberries I cut up. These are huge blackberries. We made this easy, simple dessert, and it is a high protein, low in sugar dessert. But boy, does it look delicious. If y'all think so, don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. It helps our channel get out there in the YouTube algorithm. And if you hadn't hit that subscribe button down below, we would love for you to hit that button and become a subscriber. And then you would get all our videos as soon as we upload them. If you like our video, like I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching.